Now we are seeing how to respond for such a kind of questions. Like already we have seen, if you are met someone in a restaurant, mean what the question you can ask to them. Okay, so if somebody asks to you, okay, if somebody your friend, after a very long time your friend identified you and met you, and he asked the same question, okay, did you come this restaurant for often? If he asks, then what will be the respond you should tell? We'll see what is that. Restaurant response. I have been here a couple of times. I have come twice a time, but I don't come on a regular basis. Okay, for example, if your friend meet you at a restaurant and he identified you and he called you and he asked so and so questions, and he asking you, did you come this restaurant often? If you ask, your friend asked this question, means then how can you answer for this question on this way? I have been a couple of times. That is, a couple of time means it's a modified way of telling that I am came here this restaurant for a 2 times. Okay, so this is a very catchy way of telling a couple of times. Okay, so I've just have been here. I have been here a couple of times, but I don't come on a regular basis. But I don't come here regularly, but I have been come for a couple of times. Okay, I have came here for 2 times. Okay, next thing, what is the other way of responding for the same question means, I come pretty often. Okay, I come off pretty often. This is my favorite restaurant. Okay, if you will come to the restaurant oftenly, this is your favorite restaurant, means you can say it on this way. I come pretty often. This is my favorite restaurant. Okay. So next way of responding for this question is, I can't believe we haven't seen each other before. I come here at least twice a week. Okay, so that is your surprisingly you still in a wow feeling itself. You are surprisingly are telling your friend, or you are telling your friend, we are meeting after a long time. Okay, so this is my favorite restaurant, or you can say it like I come here at least twice a week. That is means 2 times per week I will come. Okay, or you will come at least weekend, means you can say I come here at a weekend. Okay, I come at a weekend. You can say it like that way. Okay, so you can say like this, I come when I'm free. So whenever I'm free, I will come to this restaurant. You can say whatever, but this is a basic way of responding. Okay, so what are the 3 way of responding the same question? What is the question? Did you come this restaurant often? If your friend asks the same question to you, then what is the response? First one, I have been here a couple of times, but I don't come on a regular basis. Okay, and the second thing, I come pretty often. This is my favorite restaurant. Okay, or you can say this is one of my favorite restaurant. You may have a lot of favorite restaurant, and so you want to mention that. So this is one of my favorite restaurant. Or you can say, I can't believe we haven't seen each other before. I come here at least twice a week, or at least once a week, or I will come oftenly, or I come at weekends. You can mention it like here. Okay, and the second response, this is also a response for the question. I've told you the question already. If you're meeting your long time friend in a movie theater, then you will ask, okay, or hey Jack, or hey Sarah, you will tell her name or tell his name, and you will ask what movie did you came to see here. Okay, you will ask the same question. If the same question is asked by your friends to you, okay, if the same question is asked by friends, then what will be the response? You can respond it like this, I came here to see, you can say the movie name. Then you can ask, how about you? Okay, how about me? You means you can in this situation, how about you means you are not mentioning how are you. You are asking the same question. At what movie you came? You came here to see what movie? Okay, this is a way of responding the question. For if your friend asks to you the question, hi Jack or hi Sarah, after telling your name, if your friend asks you the question, You came here to see what movie. If you are, your friend asked that question, means you should respond it like this way. I came here to see, you should mention the movie name and you ask the same question, how about you? Okay, this is a to respond for a two simple question. Okay, so let's see what is the other situations.